Hello Zimbabweans! Today, I want to talk about something that's been on everyone's mind lately. The recent presidential election and Nelson Chamisa's defiant address to the nation. Chamisa's words are stirring and filled with hope, determination, and unwavering belief in a brighter future for Zimbabwe. Fellow citizens, he began, I'm so heartened by your support and loyalty. His message was clear, that Zimbabweans from all walks of life are standing firm despite the challenges and repression they face. Chamisa acknowledged the strength and resilience of the people, young and old, from every corner of the country and beyond. He called out the oppressors' tactics, sideshows, and tomfoolery, but made it evident that the spirit and resolve of Zimbabweans cannot be broken. Thank you, Zimbabwe, he said, his voice filled with gratitude and love. You are very clear. Chamisa's address was not just a speech, it was a rallying cry, a call to action for every Zimbabwean to stand strong and united. He ended with a powerful note of faith and hope. I love you. God bless you. God is in it. His words resonated deeply with many, offering a beacon of hope in a time of political uncertainty. Chamisa's defiant stance against the official election results, which he claims were fraudulent, has not only captured the attention of his supporters, but also international observers who have expressed concern over the electoral process. In his address, Chamisa emphasized the importance of staying peaceful but resolute. He urged his supporters to continue their demand for democracy and respect for the true outcome of the election. His call for unity and perseverance is a testament to his belief in the power of the people. The situation in Zimbabwe remains tense, with many hoping for a resolution that reflects the true will of the people. Chamisa's address has sparked a renewed sense of hope and determination among his supporters, who remain steadfast in their pursuit of justice and a brighter future for their nation. As Zimbabwe grapples with political uncertainty, one thing is clear. The spirit of its people remains unbroken. Chamisa's words are a reminder that despite the challenges, the dream of a prosperous and democratic Zimbabwe is very much alive. So, Zimbabweans, let's hold on to that hope. Let's stay strong, united, and determined. The journey may be tough, but together we can overcome any obstacle. As Chamisa said, God bless you. God is in it. Thank you for watching. Stay hopeful, stay resilient, and as always, stay tuned for more updates. Catch you in the next one.